Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking to upgrade your woodworking setup with a smoother, more efficient cutting tool, this video's for you. Today, we're going through the top 5 best hand electric planers chosen for their power, precision, build quality, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. DEWALT DCP 580B Planer. Serious woodworkers appreciate tools engineered for genuine performance and accuracy. The DEWALT DCP 580B Planer delivers exactly that caliber of precision. The brushless motor maintains consistent power throughout projects, maximizing runtime so battery concerns disappear during work sessions. Spinning at 30,000 cuts per minute, this machine achieves rapid material removal while keeping surfaces smooth and polished. What really sets it apart is the depth adjustment knob, offering incredibly fine control. 156-inch increments, approximately 0.01 millimeter precision. That level of accuracy ensures consistent results on every single pass through wood. You're not fighting the tool to maintain evenness, the machine does the heavy lifting for you. Precision-machined aluminum shoes, front and rear, maintain proper parallelism, reducing uneven surfaces and enhancing overall accuracy significantly. Number 2. Bosch PL2632K Electric Planer. Efficiency meets genuine precision with the Bosch PL2632K Electric Planer. The 6.5 amp motor spinning at 16,500 RPM delivers fast stock removal while leaving noticeably smooth finishes. Aluminum shoes precision machined together ensure accurate, consistent planing across entire surfaces. No surprise variations or uneven spots appearing unexpectedly. The dual mount guide fence provides excellent stability and mounts on either side according to preference. Protective shields and plastic overshoes prevent accidental surface marring during operation. The ratcheting depth knob makes adjustment straightforward, offering increments from 0 to 2.6 millimeters without needing to re-zero constantly, saving time during project work. Ejection control directs shavings to either side, keeping work areas clean and uncluttered. The ambidextrous lock-off release prevents accidental starts, while the included lock-on button handles extended operation during larger projects smoothly. Number 3. Porter Cable PC60 THP Planer. Versatility defines the Porter Cable PC60 THP Planer appeal. Its 6-amp motor spinning 16,500 RPM enables fast, smooth material removal from hardwood and softwood alike. No struggling or binding during operation. The cast aluminum 11.5-inch shoe adds genuine stability, improving control and consistency throughout planing sessions. Depth control uses an overmold knob offering 10 positive steps for precise adjustments. That precision enables clean, repeatable cuts matching specifications exactly. The planer includes 3 chamfering grooves, providing multiple edge treatment options for finishing work beyond basic planing tasks. A dust extractor bag attaches to either side, keeping workspaces clean without constant cleanup interruptions. The tool reaches cutting depths of 0.078 inches, removing excess material efficiently without sacrificing accuracy or surface quality. Number 4. Cordless Electric Hand Planer. Need mobility without sacrificing capability? The Meteolhig Cordless Electric Hand Planer proves cordless tools deserve serious consideration. The brushless design spinning at 15,000 RPM removes material quickly and efficiently with a 3.25-inch planing width. Material disappears faster while user effort drops noticeably compared to older designs. Depth adjustment allows precision work from 0 to 2 millimeters, accurate to 0.01 millimeter. That precision suits delicate woodworking, along heavier stock removal. True versatility. Compatibility with DEWALT 20V batteries ensures reliable cordless operation, adding genuine freedom between workshop and job sites. Safety receives serious attention through a dual switch mechanism preventing accidental starts. Users gain peace of mind when handling the tool during transitions or setup. The compact size and ergonomic design maneuver easily along edges, doors, or boards while delivering consistently clean, flat, smooth finishes throughout projects. Number 5. WEN 6534 Electric Hand Planer. For robust, high-capacity performance, the WEN 6534 Electric Hand Planer impresses both professionals and home woodworkers. The 8-amp motor reaches 32,000 cuts per minute, providing genuinely fast material removal. The spacious 4.38-inch cutting width accommodates larger boards, including 2x4s and 4x4s comfortably. 16 positive stops allow depth adjustments from 0 to 1/8 inch for precise control across varied tasks. Two-way dust ports direct shavings either direction, keeping workspaces clean and reducing interruptions during longer sessions. The package includes 2 reversible HSS blades plus 2 V-shaped blades for chamfering or specialized work. Durable construction combined with thoughtful features like dust management and adjustable control. And that wraps up the top 5 best hand electric planners. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe to High Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.